The role of education is very important. The leadership is very important. The value that you talk about or you speak, how do you live your values? Living those values is the key. So in Manav Rachna ecosystem, the core values that we have been always propagating and we are very passionate about flows down to the last mile.
जो बच्चे हमारे पास हायर एजुकेशन में आते थे उन्होंने कुछ गैप देखना स्टार्ट किया. सो जब ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव की बात आई देन वी थॉट ऑफ exploring international curriculums, and that is where our IB school was born. And now we have our IB schools here, which talks about future skills, research orientation, collaboration, inquiry, global perspective. कि सिर्फ अपने बारे में नहीं सोचना, दुनिया के बारे में कैसे सोचना है. How you can work globally. IB also trains you to think globally and act globally, keeping the value system of India intact.
One thing that really stands out for me in an IB school over the other schools is the fact that it empowers the student to feel that they can make a change in their environment. We have a unit of air that we do. So when this unit is done in grade 1, and I'm talking about 6-year-olds, they are looking at air pollution. So they've used that understanding of those properties. When they were doing this unit, they sat down with their teachers. They decided that they were going to buy air purifying plants. They looked at the problem. They interviewed people. They looked at solutions. They figured out that they needed to buy plants. Then they figured out that they needed money for it. They did a fundraiser. With that money, they went with their teacher to the nursery. They got those plants. They created a little bit of how do you take care of your plant, and then that is something that they distributed to everybody. I also got a plant, and that's one of my most prized possession. And I think because that plant stands for the belief of a 6-year-old in being able to change their environment. And I think that truly stands out for me, that this is what the IB does that no other curriculum does.
Another very important aspect of learning, I believe, for children is to understand the relevance of what they're learning. Why are they learning what they're learning? And that becomes important because you need to embed it in their real life.